This is distortions 5, and so I'm going over distortions that happened with body image. And a lot of times we have these thoughts, we don't recognize the thought until we're either reading a book or in conversation with someone, and you're like, oh, I do that. Is that a problem? And so I'm talking about these because they're not productive. They're not productive to feel at peace with your body, food, weight, and eating. So this distortion 5 that I'm going to go over today is called the moody mirror. So a lot of times when you feel a certain way, you believe that feeling to be true. So I feel so ugly, so it must be true. I feel so ugly, so I must be ugly. And feelings are similar to ocean waves. They come into the shore and they go out to the shore, and they come in and they go out. So they're kind of visitors. They come and they go. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be true. So if you are on the shore and the water comes up, you think, oh, that's cold, and then it goes away. The next wave might be a little bit warmer, and then it goes away. The next wave might have a little bit more speed or foam, or might have some seaweed. And so each experience of a feeling or wave, each feeling is different. So one day you might feel ugly, you might feel uncomfortable. It doesn't necessarily mean that that is the reality. And so ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? And is that based in reality, or is it based on maybe what's happened in the day, what's happened in the last few hours, maybe in the last couple weeks? I work with a lot of people who have a lot of chronic pain, who, have really rich stories, sometimes stories that have really troublesome events that aren't necessarily their fault, and they just feel so sick. And then when you're going through their story, you're like, goodness, you've been through a lot, and none of this is your fault. You're not doing anything wrong. And so feeling ugly doesn't mean you're doing something or that defines your state or lack of beauty. So we call this the moody mirror. It can also be maybe you have a feeling that something is wrong. And this feeling then starts to snowball, and it starts to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And then soon you have this notion that something is going to hurt you. And your brain can make up these wonderful stories and wonderful imageries where I couldn't possibly go to this place because there's something that's going to hurt me. And sometimes it's a gut feeling, and sometimes we can listen to those